Hello Drupalers! In this video I'm going to show you how to track changes of the source items that you are importing from a Drupal 7 project, for example, into a Drupal 10. For this I am using a test migration that I copied from the D7 node migration with a few changes. If we look at the items that we have available, drush migrate status test migrate, let's say page, we have 10 items. What I usually like to do is to check the core to see how things are defined. So for example, if we are searching for D7 node like this, we are gonna find one result. Usually it's one result, but it depends really on the ID of the migration. So if I go here, I am in the class node that manages nodes migrations from core with the plugin ID D7 node. And if we look at the definition, available configuration keys, we have node type. But we should not limit ourselves to this. If we go a bit higher, in the source plugin base, because the node class extends the source plugin base, we see that we have extra configuration here. And if we look at the available configuration keys, we see that we have cache counts, cache key, skip count, and so on and so forth. But the one that we are interested in now is track changes, which says if set track changes to the incoming data. So what we want to do is take this piece of code and use it. Normally there are two ways of doing this. It's track changes and high water property. We are only gonna discuss about track changes and know that the high water property and track changes are mutually exclusive, so you cannot use them together. Back to our migration. Here we have the definition of the source. We're gonna keep it like that and we're gonna add track changes through. Then we wanna clear the cache. We are gonna import our page nodes. It says process 10 items. If we do a quick status, we're gonna see that all of them are imported. Now if we go in the content, we see that we have the items. If we go back to the command line and we run again drush migrate import, nothing is gonna happen. Now we wanna go in Drupal 7 and randomly select the content, and we're just gonna edit Drupal 10 awesome and save. So now if we try to import again the migration, it will say processed one item, one updated, which is great. It only updated one. Normally if you run drush migrate import migration -- update, this is gonna forcefully update all items, even though they didn't change. So in our case, no matter if we modify an item or not, we're gonna get 10 updated items, which is not very good. And that's pretty much it, guys. See ya!